Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in tech products. Today, we are reviewing the best replacement earpads for your Bose Quietcomfort SE headphones. The TView Smart Earpads for Bose QC45. If you're someone who loves the comfort and quality of Bose headphones, but the earpads are starting to wear out, then this product might just be what you're looking for. The TView Smart Earpads are designed specifically for the Bose Quietcomfort 45, Quietcomfort SE, and the new Quietcomfort wireless over-ear headphones. These earpads offer a perfect fit and are engineered with high-quality materials that ensure lasting comfort. If you've been experiencing discomfort from your old earpads or if they've started to lose their shape, these replacements will provide a more comfortable listening experience with their memory foam core. Not only do these earpads enhance comfort, but they also help with noise isolation. By conforming snugly to your ears, they help block out ambient sounds, allowing you to enjoy your music or podcasts without distractions. Whether you're commuting, working, or just relaxing, the noise isolation ensures you can focus entirely on what you're listening to. One of the standout features of these earpads is the use of premium materials. They are made from a combination of memory foam and protein leather, which makes them both soft to the touch and durable for long-term use. The protein leather not only feels luxurious but is also resistant to wear and tear, so you won't need to replace them often. Installing these earpads is easy, thanks to the simple instructions provided. You don't need to be a tech expert to replace your old earpads. The kit includes the earpads, scrims, and even an installation tool, making it hassle-free for you to get back to enjoying your headphones in no time. And here's the best part, TView Smart offers a 1-year replacement warranty, so if you face any issues due to manufacturing defects, you're covered. That peace of mind makes this product even more appealing. At a price of just $15.99, these earpads offer great value for money. For anyone looking to rejuvenate their Bose Quietcomfort headphones with top quality, easy-to-install earpads, the TView Smart replacement earpads are the ideal choice. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a gamer, or just someone who enjoys high-quality sound, these earpads will elevate your listening experience. So, if you're in need of new earpads, make sure to check out the TView Smart Earpads for Bose QC45 at the link below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews and recommendations.